warm morning, students. Welcome to Social Science online class. Don't skip the class. Listen the class carefully. Class 8, Session 17. Subject Social Science. Topic E-money, E-banking, value of money and nature of money. Last class we learned about the evolution of money. Today we are going to discuss about recent form of money, value and nature of money. Before enter into the topic, let's see a small question session. First question: who designed the Indian rupee symbol? I repeat the question: who designed the Indian rupee symbol? Answer is Mr. Uday Kumar designed the Indian rupee symbol. Second question: what are the recent forms of money? I repeat the question: what are the recent forms of money? Answer is plastic money and e-money. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the recent forms of money. There are two types of forms. One is plastic money, second one is e-money. What is plastic money? Plastic money is a term used to represent the hard plastic cards used in day-to-day life in place of actual banknotes. They come in several forms such as debit cards, credit cards, store cards and prepaid cash cards. This is the latest type of money. Now let's learn about the next form, e-money. E-money means electronic money. Electronic money refers to money that exist in a banking computer system that may be used in facilitate electronic transaction, although its value is backed by fiat currency and may therefore be exchanged into a physical tangible form. Electronic money is primarily used for electronic transaction due to the sheer convenience of the methodology. E-money divided in two types. There are online bank or net banking, e-banking. Let's move to online banking. Online banking, also known as banking or web banking. It is an electronic system that enables a customers of bank or other financial institution to conduct a range of financial transactions through the financial institution website. Next one is e-banking. Electronic banking, also known as National Electronic Funds Transfer. Simply, the use of electronic means to transfer funds directly from one to account to another rather than by check or cash. This product designed for the purpose of online banking that enables you to have easy and safe access to your bank account. An example of large electronic banking system is the Federal Reserve Wire Network, called FedWire. Okay students, we have discussed about the recent forms of money. Now we are going to learn about value of money and nature of money. Let's learn about value of money. Value of money is mean the purchasing power of money over goods and services in a country. Thus, it is related to the price level of goods and services. But the relation between the value of money and the price level is on inverse one. There are two types in value of money. First one is internal value of money. Second one is external value of money. The internal value of money refers to the purchasing power of money over the domestic goods and services. External value of money refers to the purchasing power of money over foreign goods and services. Let's move on to nature of money. There has been lot of controversy and confusion over the meaning and nature of money. Money is a difficult concept to define, partly because it is fulfill not one but three functions, each of them providing certain of moneyness, those of a unit of account, a medium of exchange, and a store of value. Sergeant Kix says that money is defined by its function. Anything is money which is used as money. Money is what money does. Some economists define money in legal terms, saying that anything which state declares as money is money. Such money possesses general ability and has the legal power to discharge debits. But people may not accept legal money by refusing to see goods and services against the payments of legal tender money. On the other hand, they may accept some other things as money, which are not legally defined as money in discharge of debts. This may circulate freely and freedomly. So, dear students, let's recap topic. There are two recent form of money. One is plastic money, another one is e-money. Credit cards, debit cards are plastic money. Two types in e-money. They are online banking and e-banking. Next is a value of money. It is purchasing power of money over goods and services. There are two types in value of money. There are internal value of money and external value of money. Domestic goods and services are internal value of money. Purchasing power of money over foreign goods and services are called external value of money. Okay students, today we have discussed about the recent form of money, value and nature of money. I wind up my class here. In next class, let us learn about function of money. Okay students, today's homework, prepare the duplicate model of following stages of money: plastic money and metallic money. I repeat the question. Prepare the duplicate model of following stages of money: plastic money and metallic money. Second question. What are the two types of value of money? I repeat the question. What are the two types of value of money? Third question. What is net banking? I repeat the question. What is net banking? Thank you students. See you in next class.